Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna show you how to change your Metamask password using a Metamask app. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to change your Metamask password now and then for your security reasons, then it's pretty simple. Tap open Metamask application and make sure that you're logged in first. Once you're inside, tap the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Tap Security and Privacy from the Settings menu. And now, on the next page, scroll a bit down until you see the Password tab. Tap Change Password and confirm your password first in order to change it to something else. You'll need to type in the current password for your account in the text box. Once you type in your current password, tap Confirm. Now you'll get to choose a new password for yourself. In the new password text box, type in the new password you're trying to change to. Once you type in your new password, confirm the password by repeating it again on the next field. After both of the passwords matches in the text boxes, you can choose to toggle on this button that says Remember Me so that your password will be remembered for you by the system. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared computer. Finally, tap on I understand that Metamask cannot recover this password from me box at the bottom and tap on Reset Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your Metamask password from your Metamask application. Pretty simple, isn't it? Next time you try to log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just updated. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.